For many travelers, Moldova is known for its remarkable underground wine cellars. Vast tunnels filled with millions of bottles have helped place this small country on the map for wine lovers from around the world. But beyond those famous cellars lies a land of ancient monasteries, rolling hills, peaceful forests, limestone valleys, and timeless villages that many visitors never experience. This is a journey beyond the familiar. Across quiet river landscapes, historic monasteries, forested hills, and rural countryside, Moldova reveals one of Europe's most peaceful and overlooked destinations. Every region uncovers another landscape where history, culture, and nature continue to exist in remarkable harmony. Our journey begins at Orheiul Vechi, one of Moldova's most extraordinary cultural landscapes. Carved into a dramatic limestone valley overlooking the winding Route River, this remarkable archaeological and spiritual site has welcomed travelers for centuries. Every viewpoint reveals another breathtaking panorama. Morning light slowly spreads across the cliffs while the Route River winds gracefully through the valley far below. Ancient cave dwellings and monastery chambers remain carved directly into the limestone, preserving a remarkable connection between people and landscape. The silence becomes part of the experience. Wooden footpaths follow the ridgelines where sweeping views extend across fertile farmland and rolling green hills stretching toward the horizon. Small villages rest peacefully above the valley while birds circle effortlessly above the cliffs. Every scene feels wonderfully timeless. Leaving old Orheiul behind, the journey enters the heart of Moldova's natural landscape. The ancient Codrii Forest blankets rolling hills with towering oak, beech, and hornbeam trees that have shaped the country's countryside for generations. Nature dominates every direction. Forest trails weave beneath dense canopies where sunlight filters gently through centuries-old woodland. Wildflowers brighten peaceful clearings while woodland streams flow quietly between moss-covered rocks. Every path uncovers another tranquil corner of Moldova. Traveling northeast, the forests gradually give way to towering limestone cliffs overlooking one of Eastern Europe's great rivers. Hidden within the rock face stands the remarkable Țipova Monastery, one of Moldova's most spectacular spiritual landmarks. The setting feels almost magical. Stone stairways climb beside the cliffs where ancient cave chapels overlook the broad Dniester River flowing peacefully through the valley below. Carved directly into the limestone, the monastery has watched over this remarkable landscape for centuries. Every viewpoint reflects both history and serenity. Leaving the monastery behind, the road follows the Dniester through peaceful countryside where orchards, vineyards, and traditional villages shape the surrounding landscape. Gentle hills rise beyond fertile fields while quiet rivers continue winding toward distant horizons. Every kilometer reveals another authentic scene. Traditional homes with colorful gardens overlook narrow country roads where daily life continues at an unhurried pace. Church towers rise above the villages while family farms preserve customs passed down through generations. Rural Moldova feels wonderfully genuine. As afternoon sunlight spreads across Moldova's rolling hills, forests, and river valleys, golden light reflects across fields and vineyards while distant woodlands soften beneath the evening sky. The country's quiet beauty becomes impossible to overlook. Every horizon invites further exploration. From dramatic limestone valleys and ancient cave monasteries to peaceful forests and timeless villages, every destination reveals another side of Moldova that many travelers never discover. Together, they show that the country's greatest treasures extend far beyond its famous wine cellars. And the journey has only just begun. Beyond Moldova's peaceful forests and limestone valleys, the country continues to reveal hidden monasteries, medieval fortresses, tranquil wetlands, and welcoming rural communities that remain among Europe's quietest travel treasures. Every region uncovers another remarkable surprise. The farther the journey continues, the more rewarding Moldova becomes. Our next destination is Saharna Monastery, one of Moldova's most peaceful spiritual retreats. Hidden among forested hills overlooking the Dniester River, the monastery is surrounded by waterfalls, walking trails, and dramatic limestone cliffs that create an atmosphere of remarkable tranquility. The landscape invites quiet reflection. Forest paths wind beside crystal-clear streams where small waterfalls tumble gently over smooth rock into emerald pools below. White monastery buildings rise gracefully above the valley while distant views stretch across rolling countryside shaped by centuries of peaceful rural life. Every corner feels wonderfully serene. Leaving Saharna behind, the journey follows the Dniester south toward one of Moldova's richest natural landscapes. Lower Dniester National Park protects a remarkable network of wetlands, floodplains, forests, and quiet waterways that provide an important sanctuary for wildlife. Nature flourishes in every direction. Reeds sway gently along calm river channels while pelicans, herons, and countless migratory birds glide across the open water beneath broad Eastern European skies. Wooden boats drift quietly through the wetlands where reflections shimmer beneath the changing light. Every bend reveals another peaceful landscape. Traveling north once again, the journey arrives at Soroca Fortress, one of the finest medieval castles in Eastern Europe. Rising proudly above the Dniester River, its perfectly circular stone walls have defended this important frontier for centuries. History remains wonderfully preserved. The fortress towers overlook sweeping views across the river while ancient gateways, defensive walls, and stone courtyards reveal remarkable examples of medieval military architecture. Every viewpoint captures another unforgettable chapter of Moldova's history. The setting feels timeless. Leaving the river behind, rolling hills gradually open into the fertile countryside of Gagauzia. Vineyards, sunflower fields, orchards, and traditional villages create a landscape where unique cultural traditions continue to thrive alongside generations of agricultural life. The slower pace is immediately noticeable. Colorful homes line quiet village streets while local markets, handcrafted traditions, and family-run wineries preserve customs that have shaped this region for generations. Warm hospitality and strong community remain central to everyday life. Authentic experiences are found everywhere. The journey continues toward Căpriana Monastery, one of Moldova's oldest religious landmarks. Surrounded by ancient woodland, elegant church domes rise above peaceful monastery gardens where centuries of history remain carefully preserved. The forest adds a quiet sense of timelessness. Stone pathways weave between historic buildings while mature oak trees provide shade across beautifully maintained grounds. Gentle church bells echo through the surrounding forest, creating an atmosphere that perfectly reflects Moldova's calm and reflective character. Every visit leaves a lasting impression. Across Moldova, forests, monasteries, rivers, vineyards, and rural landscapes remain closely connected within a remarkably compact country. Traveling only a short distance often reveals an entirely different scene, making every stage of the journey feel wonderfully varied. Every kilometer offers another discovery. Traditional villages continue preserving customs shaped by generations of farming, craftsmanship, and family life. Local cuisine, seasonal festivals, folk music, and warm hospitality remain deeply connected to the landscapes that surround them. Everyday life reflects enduring traditions. Throughout the seasons, Moldova quietly transforms. Spring fills orchards with blossoms, summer blankets the countryside in rich green, autumn colors sweep across vineyards and forests, and winter settles gently over rolling hills and peaceful monasteries. Every season reveals another side of the country. Every destination reveals another unexpected side of Moldova. Limestone valleys lead toward medieval fortresses, forest monasteries overlook peaceful rivers, and quiet villages preserve traditions that have endured for centuries. Diversity quietly defines every journey. Traveling beyond the famous wine cellars transforms the way many people experience Moldova. Instead of discovering only one celebrated attraction, visitors uncover a nation of peaceful landscapes, remarkable history, authentic culture, and hidden destinations that remain refreshingly untouched. These are the places that leave lasting memories. This is the Moldova that rewards curiosity. It is a country where ancient monasteries, rolling countryside, tranquil forests, winding rivers, and timeless villages continue to flourish beyond the familiar tourist trail. Every journey uncovers another unforgettable destination. Perhaps Moldova's greatest treasure is not found beneath the ground within its world-famous wine cellars at all. It is the extraordinary collection of hidden monasteries, limestone valleys, medieval fortresses, quiet forests, and welcoming communities that together reveal one of Europe's true quiet secrets. Beyond the wine cellars lies a Moldova that is peaceful, authentic, and truly unforgettable.